Hi guys, Kevin's Job here, giving you guys my personal introductory screencast. So, brief personal background: born and raised in Southern California, grew up in St. T, California, pretty much my whole entire life. Went to my elementary school, middle school, and high school all in St. T. I went to West Hills High School, graduated. And then, instead of going to San Diego State right off the bat, I went to Grossmont College for my first couple of years so that I could save money and get the same kind of education, preliminary education there. And then I transferred to SCSU, got my bachelor's degree in social science, and now I am currently in the teaching credential program with all of you guys. My professional experiences in education and other fields: I am working at the Kennedy Recreation Center for the city of El Cajon. I've been working there for almost a year and a half now, and I've been coaching kids all different sports, so football, basketball, a lot of basketball, and soccer. And then I also run or have ran in the past a lunchtime program at two different elementary schools that get them doing certain activities that we run through, and that gets them active and motivated during lunch instead of just kind of sitting around or doing nothing. And then, so current teaching assignment: I am currently at St. Anna High School teaching 11th grade U.S. history, and already loving it. It's a great experience. And then a brief statement about your reasons for joining the teaching profession. So, just my experience while working with kids, I've realized my passion of being able to help them, guide them through life, guide them through whatever problems they've had, and just kind of shaping the youth. I think it's a great profession to follow, and it's something that I think I'll find great pride in doing. So that's one of my main reasons for joining the teaching profession, is being able to shape the youth and help them throughout their lives. So thank you guys very much, and that is my screencast.